Hello students and everyone, welcome back to class 8th maths on my YouTube channel. We will begin practice at 15.5 on textbook page number 102. Find the areas of given plots. In bracket, all measures are in meters. First figure is quadrilateral PQRST. The right angle triangles of this figure are triangle PAQ, triangle RCS, triangle PBT and triangle SBT. Quadrilateral QACR is the trapezium. You have to find area of triangle PAQ, area of quadrilateral QACR, area of triangle RCS, area of triangle PBT and area of triangle SBT. After finding area of all these figures, you have to find area of the plot. If you are finding the area of the plot, you have to add area of triangle PAQ, area of quadrilateral QACR, area of triangle RCS, area of triangle PBT and area of triangle SBT. All the areas of these figures you have to add and then you will get the answer area of the plot. Let's begin the sum now. In triangle PAQ, length of PA is equal to 30 meter, length of QA is equal to 50 meter. You have to find area of triangle PAQ. Triangle PAQ is the right angle triangle. You have to use the formula of area of right angle triangle. We have already studied the formula of area of right angle triangle in practice at 15.2. Area of triangle PAQ is the half into product of the sides forming the right angle. Side PA and side QA are the sides forming the right angle. Area of triangle PAQ is equal to half into length of PA into length of QA. Length of PA into length of QA are the product of the sides forming the right angle. That is equal to half into length of PA is 30 into length of QA is 50. Now you have to do two table cancellation. 2 ones are 2 15s are 30. Now you have to multiply 15 into 50. We already know the table of 15. 15 zeros are 0, 15 5s are 75. If you multiply 15 into 50, the answer is 750 square meter. Now we will find area of next figure of this quadrilateral, that is quadrilateral QACR. In quadrilateral QACR, length of QA is equal to 50 meter, length of RC is equal to 25 meter, length of AC is equal to 60 meter. You have to find area of quadrilateral QACR. Quadrilateral QACR is a trapezium. Side QA and side RC are the parallel sides of a trapezium. Side AC is the height of a trapezium. If you are finding area of quadrilateral QACR, you have to use the formula of area of a trapezium. Area of quadrilateral QACR is equal to half into sum of the length of the parallel sides into height. Sum of the length of the parallel sides means the two parallel sides QA and RC of quadrilateral QACR. You have to write addition form. That is equal to half into length of in bracket QA plus RC into length of AC. Next step, you have to substitute the value of length of QA, length of RC and length of AC. That is equal to half into in bracket 50 plus 25 into 60. You have to add in bracket next step. That is equal to half into 50 plus 25 how much? 75 into 60. Now you have to do two table cancellation. 2 ones are 2 30s are 60. That is equal to 75 into 30. Now I will multiply this number 75 into 30. Any number multiplying by 0 is 0. Now you have to multiply 75 into 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22. After multiplying 75 into 30, the answer is 2250. That is equal to 2250 square meter. Next figure is triangle RCS. In triangle RCS, length of RC is equal to 25 meter. Length of CS is equal to 60 meter. You have to find area of triangle RCS by using the formula of area of right angle triangle. Side RC and side CS are the sides forming the right angle of triangle RCS. Area of triangle RCS is equal to half into product of the sides forming the right angle, that is equal to half into length of RC into length of CS. Length of RC into length of CS are the product of the sides forming the right angle, that is equal to half into length of RC is 25 into length of CS is 60. Now you have to do two table cancellation. 2 1s are 2 30s are 60. Now you have to multiply 25 into 30. We will multiply this number directly. 25 zeros are 0. 25 3s are 75. After multiplying 25 into 30, the answer is 750. That is equal to 750 square meter. Next figure is triangle PBT. In triangle PBT, length of PA plus length of AB is equal to length of PB. Length of PB is equal to 60 meter. Length of BT is equal to 30 meter. You have to find area of triangle PBT by using the formula of area of right angle triangle. Triangle PBT is a right angle triangle. Side PB and side BT are the sides forming the right angle of triangle PBT. Area of triangle PBT is equal to half into product of the sides forming the right angle, that is equal to half into length of PB into length of BT. Length of PB into length of BT are the product of the sides forming the right angle, that is equal to half into length of PB is 60 into length of BT is 30. Now you have to do two table cancellation. 2 1s are 2 30s are 60. Square of 30 is 900. 30 into 30 is 900 square meter. Next figure is triangle SBT. In triangle SBT, length of SC plus length of CB is equal to length of SB. That is, length of SB is equal to 90 meter. Length of BT is equal to 30 meter. You have to find area of triangle SBT by using the formula of area of right angle triangle. Side SB and side BT are the sides forming the right angle of triangle SBT. Area of triangle SBT is equal to half into product of the sides forming the right angle, that is equal to half into length of SB into length of BT. Length of SB into length of BT are the product of the sides forming the right angle, that is half into length of SB is 90 into length of BT is 30. Now you have to do two table cancellation. 2 1s are 2 15s are 30. Now you have to multiply the number 90 into 15. You know the 15 table. 15 zeros are 0. 15 9s are 135. After multiplying 90 into 15, the answer is 1350. That is equal to 1350 square meter. Now you have to find area of the plot. Area of the plot is equal to area of triangle PAQ plus area of quadrilateral QACR plus area of triangle RCS plus area of triangle PBT plus area of triangle SBT. That is equal to area of triangle PAQ is 750 square meter plus area of quadrilateral QACR is 2250 square meter plus area of triangle RCS is 750 square meter plus area of triangle PBT is 900 square meter plus area of triangle SBT is 1350 square meter. Now I have to add these numbers. I have added these numbers. Check the addition. After adding these numbers, the answer is 6000. That is equal to 6000 square meter. Next, in quadrilateral ABCDE, there are three figures. First figure is triangle BAE. Second figure is triangle BCE. Third figure is triangle CDE. In triangle BAE, you have to find side AE by using the formula of Pythagoras theorem. Angle A is the right angle. Side opposite to the right angle A is side BE. In triangle BAE, length of AB is equal to 24 meter. Length of BE is equal to 30 meter. You have to find length of AE. By Pythagoras theorem, length of BE square is equal to length of AB square plus length of AE square. BE square is the hypotenuse square, AB square is the side 1 square, AE square is the side 2 square. That is, length of BE square is 30 square is equal to length of AB square is 24 square plus length of AE square, right as it is, because you have to find length of AE. Length of AE square, write it on the left side. 30 square, you have to take it on the right side. That is equal to 30 square plus becomes minus according to equation, minus 24 square. Square of 30 is 900 minus square of 24. 4 4s are 16. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Square of 24 is 576. Now to subtract 900 minus 576. I have already done subtraction. Check subtraction. That is equal to 324. Length of AE square is equal to 324. Length of AE square, the square which is there, you have to remove it, and on the right side it becomes square root. That is, length of AE is equal to square root of 324. Eight 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8 plus 6 14. 1 8s are 8. 1 1s are 1. Square of 18 is 324. So square root of 324 is 18. Therefore, length of AE is equal to 18 meter. Now you have to find area of triangle BAE by using the formula of area of right angle triangle. Triangle BAE is the right angle triangle. Side BA and side AE are the sides forming the right angle. Area of triangle BAE is equal to half into product of the sides forming the right angle. That is equal to half into length of AB into length of AE. Length of AB into length of AE are the product of the sides forming the right angle. That is equal to half into length of AB is 24 into length of AE is 18. Now you have to do two table cancellation. 2 1s are 2 9s are 18. Multiply the number 24 into 9. 9 4s are 36. 9 2s are 18 plus 3 21. After multiplying 24 into 9, the answer is 216. That is equal to 216 square meter. Second figure of this quadrilateral is triangle BCE. You have to find area of triangle BCE by using semi-perimeter and Aron's formula. In triangle BCE, A is equal to 30 meter, B is equal to 26 meter, C is equal to 28 meter. The formula of semi-perimeter is A plus B plus C upon 2. That is S is equal to 30 plus 26 plus 28 upon 2. Add these numbers, 30 plus 26 plus 28. Six plus 8, 14. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. After adding these numbers, the answer is getting 84. That is 84 upon 2. Now you have to do two table cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 42s are 84. That is equal to 42 meter. Therefore, semi-perimeter is equal to 42 meter. Now you have to use Aron's formula of area of triangle BCE. Area of triangle BCE by using Aron's formula is equal to square root S in bracket S minus A in bracket S minus B in bracket S minus C. Next step, you have to substitute the value of semi-perimeter A side, B side and C side. That is square root 42 in bracket 42 minus 30 in bracket 42 minus 26 in bracket 42 minus 28. Next step, you have to subtract these numbers in bracket with multiplication form. That is square root 42 into 42 minus 30, how much? 12 into 42 minus 26, how much? 16 into 42 minus 28, how much? 14. Next step, you have tried the factors of 42 into 12 into 16 into 14. That is square root. Factor of 42 is 6 into 7. 6 sevens are 42. Factor of 12 is 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. Factor of 16 is 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Factor of 14 is 2 into 7. 2 sevens are 14. I am getting all the squares of the numbers of the factors of 42 into 12 into 16 into 14. Next step, you have tried squares of the numbers together. That is square root 6 into 6 into 7 into 7 into 2 into 2 into 4 into 4. Underline the squares of the numbers. After underlining the squares of this number, these numbers you have tried one time without putting square root symbol. That is 6 into 7 into 2 into 4. Now you have to multiply these numbers. 6 sevens are 42. 42 twos are 84. 84 fours are. Next figure of this quadrilateral is triangle CDE. In triangle CDE, length of CE is equal to 28 meter. Length of FD is equal to 16 meter. You have to find area of triangle CDE. Side CE is the base of triangle CDE. Side FD is the height of triangle CDE. Area of triangle CDE is equal to half into base into height. That is equal to half into base is length of CE into height is length of FD. That is equal to half into length of CE is 28 into length of FD is 16. Now you have to do two table cancellation. 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. Multiply the number 28 into 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 2s are 16 plus 6 22. After multiplying 28 into 8, the answer is 224. That is equal to 224 square meter. Now you have to find area of the plot. Area of the plot is equal to area of triangle BAE plus area of triangle BCE plus area of triangle CDE. That is equal to area of triangle BAE is 216 square meter plus area of triangle BCE is 336 square meter plus area of triangle CDE is 224 square meter. You have to add these numbers. I have already added these numbers. Check the addition. After adding 216 plus 336 plus 224, the answer is 776. That is equal to 776 square meter. If you understood maths practice set 15.5, give us the feedback or comments. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.